Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's do the unboxing and setup of this new Realme smartwatch. And this was launched in India now for 4,000 rupees, 3,999 to be exact. So let's have a look at this. I feel this is sort of a fitness centric watch, but let's have a look. So here it just says Realme Watch, and it's having a touch screen. And here if you go towards the back, it says that it has a large color display. It's actually a 1.4 inch screen. Watch straps, it says, of course, daily activity tracking, even has oxygen, that is SpO2 monitor, and heart rate monitoring continuous is there, and it also says 14 modes for sport activity tracking. And this is the charging plug, it seems. I had opened it up to just check if it was fine because of the courier delays and all those things. And here, as you can see, here is the watch. I haven't set it up, so it's having a typical rubber wristband, but looks nice, looks comfortable. And here we have that 1.4 inch screen. It's supposed to be a touch screen. Let's have a look at this. And I was worried that the Realme branding will be visible over here, but as you can see, you just can't see it. Only in a particular angle, when a lot of light is falling, you can see it. So again, if you just wear it like this, nothing is sort of displayed. Anyways, back we have the plugs for charging and your heart rate and SpO2 sensor. And the bands, as you can see, can be actually removed. Right now it's coming only with the black band, but I believe that they said that separate bands will be sold later on. Anyways, let's see what else do we get. So this is what? This is nothing over here. And here, if we open, we get the charging plug. It's a magnetic one, and just a small Realme user manual, and it says QR code will come, so you'll have to install an app and all these things. And so let's try to do that. Let's try to set this up and have a first look. And you'll have to actually install this Realme Link app, and I'll just try to do that. I'll open it, and let's try to power this on. I hope it has some charge. Give me vibration. The vibration motor is good, and I'll just agree to this. I love all the time, and I'm just going to set this up. I love, okay. And here we are going to use the touch screen. Oops, just went away. Here English, and it says QR code. Okay, so we have to we have to sign up and all those things, as you can see, and you have to use that QR code. So I'll just add this things, guys, and then we'll continue. And guys, automatically it found the watch. Again, this is for that app, so I'm just going to click connect, and it's connecting over Bluetooth, so that's nice. And this might take, so I have to confirm, agree, yes. So it says binding. So that was actually very painless process, and now you have to actually set this up, your date of birth, etc. So I'll do that, and then we'll continue. So guys, I've set up the watch, and here, as you can see, by default it first shows you time, and by default the screen will just go out after some time, but you have that gesture. If you just flick, it comes, and here, as you can see, after some time it goes, but if you flick, it comes, and it has the heart rate sensor. Continuous heart rate sensing is there. And to change the watch faces, just hold it on this for a couple of seconds, and here you can swipe. Right now only 6 watch faces are there, and you can just tap like this for it to set, but they said that they'll be adding a lot more watch faces later on with the OTA update. And if you click on this, you can just switch off the stuff, and as you can see, weather, you can access heart rate and all those things, and the touch sensitivity is nice, so that's actually nice. And if you just swipe, if you press this single button, it goes back to the home, but if you swipe from the bottom, you get to all the other menus. As you can see, you have the workout, heart rate, and all those things. In workout, I believe they have about 14, as you can see, outdoor, run, walk, but again, if you just wear it also, it will track the number of steps and all those things. I'll talk about that, all of that, in my review after using it for a week or two. So if you have any specific questions, do let me know. I just don't want to rush, like just give a review immediately. And as you can see, you have a lot of options like strength training, football, but strangely no cricket is also there. This is funny. And if you just swipe like this, you go back. This is like the Apple Watch. If you just go from the left, it goes back. And so we have meditation alarms, weather, and of course settings. And here in general, if you go display and brightness, you can set what you want, but you have to manually actually set it up because no auto brightness sensor. And if you do just swipe like this, it goes back like this. And the touch sensitivity is fine, and meditation and all those things you have. And this is supposed to be even IP68 rated. So again, you can actually, if water falls on this, nothing will happen. And in terms of build quality, the back is plastic, but again, I won't complain for the price. The build looks nice. And if you guys know, I use the Apple Watch, and if I place it by side, it tries to resemble the Apple Watch. This is the stainless steel version, the higher end one, but again, as you can see, it tries to mimic that, I would say. And the heart rate sensor is done automatically, and it's a continuous one. It does about 5 minutes, and again, you can also see your notifications over this. But the thing is that you cannot reply to the notifications because this does not have any microphone, so you can just read only the notifications. As you can see, the battery life they claim is about 7 to 10 days. So hopefully once a week you'll be able to charge it, and that should suffice. And it charges via this charging plug, which is actually magnetic, so it's easy to charge. Again, you just place it and it comes up like this. Also, sleep tracking is there on this one, so I'm also curious to see how well it works and how well the pedometer works for your daily walking and stuff. You can set up goals. Again, I've just set it up, so again we won't have any data, but again here the data will be filled up, like sleep tracking, your steps, your heart rate continuous. I'm curious to see how well does it compare with other smartwatches I've used, like the Apple Watch, etc., to see its accuracy, and your workout clock. So everything is over here. And again, you have other settings also. You can get call reminders on this, so if anybody is calling, it will come over here, but you can't take the calls, but you can obviously reject the calls if you want. So that functionality is there. And also about notifications, you can set what types of notifications you want to be visible on the watch. But again, guys, it's a read only. So guys, I don't want to say much without extensively testing this one. If you have any specific questions about this Realme Watch, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to include those in my full review. Anyways, guys, what do you feel about this Realme Watch at about 4,000 rupees? Do let me know in the comment section below. This is Ranjit, and if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, and take care, guys. Catch you later.